Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how this Wise application works. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open the Wise application. Once you've opened it, if you're not registered, all you have to do is to register and log into your account. And on here, you will see the same screen as I have right now. Okay, once you're here, so for the first thing that we'll tackle is how to transfer using Wise. And to do that, all you have to do is tap on the send button right on the middle bottom part of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Just wait for it to load, and once it's fully loaded, you will see the same screen that I have right now. And on here, you will have two options. You can send internationally, or if it's just local, or in the same currency that you have in your country, you can choose that option. And for this video, I'll just use the international. And as you can see on the first box, you will see that you can choose which currency you'll be using or you'll be transferring. And then here, when you tap on the drop down, you can choose which currency are you using in your country. But when you download the Wise app, it is detecting the region that you're in, and once you've logged in, you will see the currency that you're using. It is already on the preset. And once you've chosen, all you have to do is to type in the exact amount or the amount that you'd like to transfer. And on the second box, as you can see, it is already exchanged or computed by the Wise application. For when you send $1,000, it will be automatically converted into the currency that is set or the currency that the recipient is using. As you can see, 1,000 US dollars is equal to 54,000 and 99.12 pesos. And once you're done typing in the values that you'd like to transfer, all you have to do is to tap on continue. And by the way, you can also set the amount using the second box, in which you can type in the value if you'd like to transfer the exact amount or want them to receive the exact amount that they're going to be needed. And once done, all you have to do is to tap on continue. Once you've tapped on continue, all you have to do is to search for the name or email, or you can also use the phone number to look for the recipient of the transfer. And once you've found it, all you have to do is to tap on add on the top right corner of your screen, and you will be able to check the details as for final verification. And once done, all you have to do is to tap on send, and the transfer will be processed. Okay, so that is how you transfer using the Wise application. For the next part that we're going to be tackling, it's the multi-currency account. And all we have to do is to go back, and all you have to do is to undergo the same process. Open the Wise application. If you're not registered, just register and log in, and you will see the same screen as this one. And the multi-currency account comes in when you register and log in. As you can see here, it is currently set to the currency in what region I'm from, which is the Philippines. It is set into the Philippine peso. But you can open another account in which we can choose other currency. Let's go ahead and try and tap open. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked what you want to open. If you would like to open the balance or jar. For this video, we're just gonna choose the balance. As for jar, will be explained later. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you can now select which currency you'd like to open. Let's say Canadian dollar. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've chosen, as you can see, the Canadian account has been created. You can now add, convert, send, or you can just tap on more. And that is how to open a multi-currency account. And for the next one, we're gonna tackle the Wise debit card. And on here, by the way, it is not accessible in all the countries. As for just like me, it is not accessible, or the feature is not yet open for my country. But for the next one, it is the Wise debit card. To order one, if you still don't have one, all you have to do is to tap on card on the bottom left part of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see here that you can order a physical card and this feature, but Wise debit card also can be a virtual card so that you can use it in online shoppings if you'd like. And to order one, all you just have to do is to tap on order. You will see it here if it's available in your country, and wait for it to arrive and then activate it. We also have a video on how to activate cards. Just check on it. But once you've received, you will have the card in your mail. All you have to do is to activate, and then you can now use the card itself. And for the next one, which is the digital card, as for what I've said earlier, when you access card, you can activate a digital card if you don't like a physical card. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.